In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable the automatic update of links in Microsoft Excel. If you've ever dealt with spreadsheets that link to other documents, you know how automatic updates can be both a blessing and a curse. Sometimes you need more control over when those links are refreshed, especially if you're managing complex workbooks. Let's dive right in and take control back. First, let's go ahead and open up Microsoft Excel. If you already have it open, make sure that you're in the main screen where you can see your taskbar with various tabs like Home, Insert, and Data. Now, direct your attention to the top left corner of your window where you'll find the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new view known as the Backstage view. Think of this space as your command center for managing the file and general Excel settings. In this area, you'll see several options on the left pane. Among these, there's an important option called Options. Clicking on Options brings up a pop-up window that lets you customize your Excel environment according to your preferences. With this pop-up window open, locate the menu on the left side. These are different categories containing a variety of settings that you can tweak. What we're interested in here is the Advanced category, so find and click on Advanced in the left-hand menu. Clicking this takes you to a long list of detailed settings. Don't worry, we'll guide you so it's manageable. Now scroll down to the very bottom of this list. It might take a minute since there's quite a bit to browse through, but keep going until you reach a section titled When Calculating this Workbook. Within this section is an important checkbox for our purposes labeled Update Links to Other Documents. If this box is checked, Excel will automatically update links to external documents whenever the workbook is recalculated. To disable this automatic updating, just uncheck the box. This change ensures that links will only be updated when you explicitly choose to do so, giving you more strategic control over your data. Once you've unchecked the box, we're at the final step. Simply click on the OK button at the bottom of the pop-up window. That action locks in your changes and returns you to your Excel workbook. Congratulations, you've successfully disabled the automatic update of links in Microsoft Excel. From now on, your linked data will only update when you decide to update it. This newfound control is particularly useful in scenarios involving large or sensitive data sets, where changes must be monitored closely. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial helps streamline your Excel experience.